In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automatic emails in Jira. Automating email notifications in Jira can significantly streamline your workflow, ensuring that the right people are always informed about project updates promptly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set this up. First, you'll want to navigate to the project in Jira where you'd like to set up automation. Open your Jira dashboard, locate the project, and once you're there, you'll notice three dots next to your project's name. Click on these dots and select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can configure various project features and options. Now within the Project Settings, look for the Automation tab and click on it. Automation is a powerful feature in Jira that allows you to automate repetitive tasks and communication, helping your team stay focused on what matters most. Next, it's time to create a new rule. Click on the Create Rule button. This will guide you to setting up the rules that dictate how and when your automated emails are sent out. The first thing you need to do is choose a trigger. A trigger determines the event that will cause the email to be sent. You have several options here, such as issue created, issue updated, issue transitioned, or even scheduled if you want the emails to go out at regular intervals. Choose the option that best fits your needs. With your trigger set, the next step is to add a component. Click on Add an Action, which will define what happens after your trigger condition is met. Here, you'll select Send Email as the action type. Moving on to configuring the email, you'll start by entering the recipients in the To field. You can manually enter email addresses or use Jira's user pickers, groups, or custom fields containing email addresses. This flexibility allows you to adapt the automation to a variety of project requirements. Next, you'll configure the subject of your email. Make sure to enter a clear and concise subject line that accurately reflects the content of the email. Following this, enter the email body. This is where you provide detailed information about the notification, ensuring that all necessary information is communicated effectively. While optional, you can also add a reply to address, CC recipients, and tweak other email settings to tailor the automation to your specific needs. Once everything is in place, click Next to review the rule. Finally, you'll turn on the rule. Look for the option in the top right corner labeled Turn on Rule. Before you activate it, you'll have to give your rule a name. Choose something descriptive, especially if you plan to create multiple automated rules in the future. Decide who can edit this rule from the drop-down menu to maintain control over its settings once it's activated. With all that done, click Turn on Rule and your email automation is ready to go. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic email notifications in Jira. This automation will help your team stay informed with minimal manual effort, making communication smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your project management.